Should we get digital access or not? I don't know.
There's actually a whole department at SAP that deals with all kinds of questions concerning digital access. Let me show you. When talking about digital access, we talk about indirectly accessing the SAP digital core. The legacy named user-based license model requires users to have a named user license assigned to them whenever accessing the SAP core through a non-SAP system. With today's more digitalized world and more automated processes, it was time to focus on the growing indirect access scenarios. So in 2018, SAP launched the Digital Access License Model to license these kinds of interactions based on documents rather than users.
Okay, wow, didn't know that. How do you get in my house again? How would you even measure digital access documents? Go ahead and finish that, yeah?
Thank you. So, there are two ways to measure digital access. First, you have the passport technology. The passport is available starting at a certain release. A detailed list of minimum requirements can be found in the description below.
What are you looking at?
Never mind. Anyway, once the passport is activated, all SAP to SAP communication will be flagged with an SAP tick from that point onwards. When starting the measurement, the passport simply measures all the relevant document types that don't have this flag and calculates the usage.
Sounds amazing.
Yeah, and it's very accurate as well. But of course, you have to wait some time after activation to give the passport time to create enough flagged documents to allow for a representative amount. And remember, the license always refers to a 12-month usage.
Makes sense. So wait, I have to wait an entire year until I can measure digital access?
Yep. Well, at least with Passport. You can also use the estimation report to get an instant result.
Estimation report? What are we estimating?
The documents, of course. For the estimation report, you need to identify those technical users responsible for the creation of external documents in the SAP core. Check out the support portal linked below to get more information on the estimation report. There you can also find more information on the Digital Access Evaluation Service.
Dude, stop doing that. And what's the Digital Access Evaluation Service? Damn, she's good. So what was that about the estimation service again?
You mean the Digital Access Evaluation Service?
Yeah, that one.
Okay, the last question for today.
All right.
So the Digital Access Evaluation Service is a free workshop offered by SAP's Global License Audit and Compliance Department to discuss with you all the necessary steps that you have to take to run the estimation report in your system environment.
Kind of sounds like an audit to me.
No, not at all. It is an optional service for you and the results will only be sent to you. No commercial discussions unless you actually want to discuss pricing. So what do you think? Well, so that's how it feels like.